In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements in Canva. By the end, you'll be confidently placing graphics exactly where you want them, using both your mouse and your keyboard, and taking advantage of Canva's alignment helpers for clean, professional layouts. First, open a template that fits the project you're working on. This gives you a ready-made canvas to practice on, whether it's a social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. Once your design is open, look to the left sidebar and head to the Elements tab. This is your library for shapes, graphics, icons, stickers, and more. Use the search bar to find any element you like. Type a keyword like arrow, star, or phone, and browse the results. When you see something that fits your style, add it to your design. You can either click the element to insert it onto the canvas or drag it directly into place. It will appear with a bounding box so you know it's selected. Click the element once to make sure it's active. With it selected, you can move it simply by clicking and holding, then dragging it across the canvas. As you drag, keep your eye on the position of the element relative to your other content. For tiny adjustments, use your keyboard's arrow keys. Tapping the arrows nudges the element in small increments, which is perfect for precise alignment. As you move things around, Canva will show smart guidelines, those thin lines that appear when your element lines up with the edges of the page or with other objects. These help your element snap into clean alignment. If you drag toward a corner, you'll see guides that help you align with the edges and margins, so things don't look off kilter. Dragging toward the middle will reveal center guides, making it easy to place the element perfectly centered horizontally or vertically. Remember, you can move from the outer corners to the center using those guidelines as your visual anchor points. This keeps spacing consistent and saves you from eyeballing alignment. If you need a straight line move, hold the Shift key while you drag. This locks the movement to a perfect horizontal or vertical path, preventing the element from drifting diagonally and preserving your layout structure. That's all there is to it. Open your template, find an element, place it on the canvas, and move it with either drag and drop or the arrow keys, using the built-in guidelines to snap to corners and center. With these controls and the shift drag trick, you'll get clean, balanced designs every time.